I've been living at Gidwitz for 2 years, and when I first came here, I was apprehensive because living alone is different than living in a community. So I came here and I looked around and I said, let me see. And then I told my daughter, I said, I don't know if I want to be here because there are a lot of old people here. And she looked at me and she said, well, what do you think you are? I said, tat for tat. It's very nice. I'm very happy here now, and I'm glad I came. With the sanctuary are consecrated for religious purposes. We just got through in May with a bat mitzvah class. We had 13 people, and we were all bat mitzvah together. It was a beautiful ceremony, and I wish everybody could have seen it. And I was so proud after all these years. I'm a bat mitzvah girl.